step with our little side vent area is to make a template, which we made out of carbon fiber. What we're now going to do is make it out of plexiglass, so that we can actually create a mold so we can make this in carbon fiber. So what we're going to do is we're going to hook this up to some plexiglass, and we're going to trace out our 3 pieces. This piece, the top, and the bottom piece. Then we're going to connect those, make a mold from that so that we can actually make our smooth carbon fiber. The fins will be separate. So what we're going to do with that is we are going to make flat panels of carbon fiber, and we are going to make them thick, multi-layered, flat big panels, and then all we have to do is cut out our pieces from that flat panel in any size we want to make this shape, and make them thick enough that we can attach them from the back side. So our main piece is these 3 pieces, and what we're going to do as well is once we get this made on this side, we're going to do the exact same on the other side. So basically it's going to be the exact same, just flipped. So everything will be flipped as far as everything on this thing, so that it works on the other side. So that's all we're going to do. Let's get to go marking it all out and get this made. So now that we have all the pieces cut out here, we need to form our mold. So we are lining up everything, going to make some braces in here for our pieces, and the back side of this is actually going to become our actual mold for our piece. So we need to make these little braces, and let's get everything glued, and I'll show you guys the final product. So as you see, we have our little bracing, we have all our plexiglass pieces. As you can tell, we don't have the right overall like curvature that we want. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our heat gun, we are going to heat our main panel, and as we do, we're going to form it and tape it into our shape. When it cools, it will keep that shape, and it'll match exactly what we want. So let's get to it. So while we let all that bracing dry, for our mold, we are going to jump over here to our rear wing. As you can see, we have it foamed up, and it kind of looks the part. We need to now shape it in the shape that we want our little gurney flap to be. So we'll get out a knife and we'll start trimming. So guys, we kind of have the rear flipper wing gurney flap in the shape that we kind of want. We have a, you know, it's the general shape of what we're looking for. What we need to do now is refine that shape and get it to where we exactly need it so we can make our mold off of it. We have our plexiglass side, I don't know what you want to call it, like under Fender Vents. We have our plexiglass pieces made. What we need to do now on that is that will dry tonight, and we will trim the shape, and what will happen next is we'll lay our PVA and wax. Well, we'll wax it first, then PVA it, and we'll basically just lay our carbon fiber right on top of it, vacuum bag it down, and then when we're done, we'll just pull it off, and it will be our final shape for our fender vent. So thanks for watching, guys. This is part 1 of probably 2 or 3. I'm not sure how this is gonna go, but we still have to finish that, and we'll show you what the final version of that looks like next video. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys next video. We have a surprise coming.